Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be explaining you about data types in JavaScript.
JavaScript data types are classified into two types, that is primitive and non-primitive, on the basis of how they are stored in the memory and how you can access them. Now, primitive data types. There are 7 types of primitive data types: string, number, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, bigint. So I have also given you examples of each one of them. So let username is equals to Kevin. This is string. Let a is equals to 45. This is number. Let is logged in is equals to true is boolean. Const value is equals to null. So it is null. And what are the type of them? We will also check it out by console log type of whatever we have written, so that you will be crystal clear about that. So constant ID is equal to symbol. This is how symbol is declared. Let big number is equals to this. So this is used when you have you have to deal with very big numbers, such as we deal with stock market web applications and all. So for that we use big number. And okay, I will explain you about this later on. So first of all, why big number is used? uh, we already have number to declare numbers. So because using number, you have you can declare a number to a limit. As we know that if I just comment this whole one out, okay, just to show you one thing. So I have printed number dot max tab. So the maximum value with which JavaScript can store uh, is this one, and this is basically 1.79 into 10 to the power 30, and maximum safe integer is nothing but the largest integer JavaScript can represent without losing precision, and it is this one. So this is basically, you can see the number. So if we have to store numbers bigger than this, for that we use bigint. Now let me just comment this one out. And okay, now you are clear with the why we use bigint and not number for such numbers, for such big numbers. And if I just show you the output of these, what are the type of username, age is logged in, that we have the variables declared that, so you will be more clear about this. Okay, one one minute. So as you can see, username, for the username, type is string, type of age is number, type of is logged in is boolean, but the type of null is object and it is not null. So this is one of the most interesting thing in JavaScript, that the type of null shows object, and we'll explain why it shows object not null later. Now, type of undefined is type of score is undefined as expected. Type of ID is symbol. Good. Now, why the type of null value is showing null, not is showing object, not null. So this is because in here I have given the explanation also. This is because JavaScript uses internal type tag to declare to refer to various data types. For object, it uses 000, integer for integer 001, and so on. And the value null is also represented as bits 0 into 00. So JavaScript confuses null with object, and here therefore it shows the data type of null to be an object. That is, you can say, a bug from history. And why we have not changed this? Because it will, because a lot of websites till today uses the same thing, and it will create an error. So therefore, it is uh, kept the same. That is, the type of null is object. So now you are clear with this also. Uh, Moreover, the another type of data type is non-primitive. We also call it reference. And what are these? Array objects and functions. So if I just show you this one, okay. One more thing. What if I want to check, let, like I have declared let a is equals to none, and if I want to check whether it is strictly the type and the value, what will it print? You can see it prints true. So basically the data type is true, is null of a, and also the value is null. So therefore it is given true. So it basically clarifies that null data type also exists. Now we will talk about the another type, another data types, array objects functions. So if I just show you by running, okay, as you can see, I have declared uh, an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, object this, and a function. So type of array is object. Type of object is also object, and type of function is function. So type of object is object, type of function is function. That is expected. But why the type of array is object? So this is because JavaScript array are nothing but a special type of objects. So uh, if JavaScript treats array as an object only, and there it is also a key. Um, and behind the scenes, it is like um, an object in which key value pairs exist. For this array, the key value pairs would be 0 colon 1, 1 colon 2. Basically, keys are the index value, and values are the whatever uh, items we have written in the array. So this is how arrays are treated in JavaScript. So now you're clear with all the data types in JavaScript. Thank you for watching the video.